I just bought this yesterday, replacing my Roborock, which was losing its mind. And this looks pretty nice, but it's smaller compared to Roborock. The reservoir for water and everything is like 1/3 the size. And instead of spinning stuff, this was just like a little math. It just goes left and right. But the problem with this is that it is very bad out of the box. It's almost $100 more, $600. So here, this is the house. I'm gonna press it to go back. Look what it does. It literally loses its mind. Okay.
My drive wheel is stuck. Please remove any obstructions or debris. Error number 5.
Your driver is not stuck. Here. It's good. Good. Nothing is stuck here. I don't know what's the problem. Everything has looked good. Go back. First it was stuck at its dock. The cleaning part underneath was just stuck there, not moving. So I had to like yank it out. Okay. Come on. Oh, man. What a luck. I don't mind returning it, but it's just the time and hassle. You know, I have to put it back in the box and go back. Roborock was pretty good for like 3 months and then just kept losing its mind and the battery was just bad. This is really bad. This is the second day and it's got already many scratches. It cleaned the house once and it's just hitting everything. Supposedly it has like avoidance tech or something, but it's just bad engineering. How about that? And yesterday when I was cleaning, I had to like put it back in the box a few times. It was constantly, you know, just stopping in the middle of nowhere and just like, nope, not happening today. So this is the worst vacuum, robot vacuum ever I've experienced since like last 7-8 years I've been using these things. Thank God I bought this from Costco. Imagine if this was from Best Buy or something and you only have 2 weeks and you're stuck with it. Or they'll give you a lot of hassle returning it. Look at this. This is just bizarre. Let's just wait and see what happens. Yep. Okay, let's click on it to go back to docking station. Go back. it just won't go. It just acts like it's disabled or something wrong, but it's not. Like if I click here, it might go vacuum. Something really wrong. I think it's the leg is broken or something, one of the wheels. I don't know. But in just 2 days, man, come on. Look at that, it's just circling around. Looks like the left wheel, but it's turning, I see it. There's nothing stuck here. This is the right one. This is a brand new unit, guys, brand new. Just had like a few hours of work to it, that's it. Okay. It stays lifted. It just keeps itself lifted. Look at that. Go back. I think it's got issues. Okay, I'm gonna try to dock it myself. This is where it's supposed to go. In there.
Please make sure my bumper is moving freely. Error number 6.
Again, another error. And bumper is stuck there, you see? Let's click this. Wow, this thing is totally useless. Okay, it's doing something.
My drive wheel is stuck. Please remove any obstructions.
You just don't know how to drive. It's not stuck. Only a few hours of use and scratches everywhere because it was keep hitting everything in its path. Roborock was used by me for about 5-6 months and it barely had any of these scratches. This thing just day one, it's just already like war zone. Okay, let's start the docketing manually. I'm gonna give it another chance to just not return it, maybe reset it and try again. But for now, I'll just keep it charge, and when I have time I'll try to reset it and then go from there. But this is just waste of money right now. $680, something like that. $599 plus tax, or whatever that is, $640 or something. Yeah, this is from Costco, guys. Shark Never Touch Pro. Nice sleek design, but it's kind of small. Like Roborock was bigger than this, probably like 20%. And these reservoirs are very tiny compared to the other machines. This is tiny. Yeah, very disappointed.